講英文口窒窒，人多緊張，約不到朋友練點算好？學界首創 DSE English Paper for Speaking， 隨時隨地與 AI 考生、AI 考官模擬 group discussion。咁有一排呢，喺社交媒體見到呢一個廣告，來自 SayU.HK。咁呢個 app 呢，聽落係幾吸引啊，幾適合我哋呢啲呢，又勤力啦，又想練好 speaking 啦，又冇乜錢啦，至緊要又冇乜朋友嘅讀 L 喎。咁下載落嚟玩下先。咁試下呢個 DSE 先。咁有 individual response 啦 ，group discussion 啦。咁唔知咩嚟喎，試下先。嗱 ，1 minute individual response， 咁好多題目啊。咁全部都 lock 住咗。哇 ，TVB 添喎，有個 TVB 幾有趣喎，好似咁而家一定要我答 AI and job security， 一個都幾悶嘅 topic 啊。老實講，嗱佢有60秒預備時間喎，我明明揀咗 IR， 但係都有60秒喎，唔係即刻答喎。可唔可以即刻答啊？我哋睇下先。嗱 ，You may want to discuss: Do you adopt AI in your daily life? What jobs will likely be replaced by AI? How AI will create more jobs? 其實有啲 grammar 嘅錯誤啊，你睇唔睇到啊？如果呢個係 question， 你就唔會 how AI will， 你會 how will AI 係咪？但係同時佢有個subject verb， 咁呢個係一個 noun clause 嚟噶嘛，你唔應該用 question mark 嘅，所以你冇做功課。你睇下 DSE 啲 past paper， 你睇1年啊，你就唔會犯呢啲咁低級嘅錯誤。呢個3號嘅應該係雙低級錯誤。夠鐘啦喎 ！Hello. I think AI will. Well, actually, it's a very boring topic. I've answered this question so many times. I've even asked my students so many times. So I do not want to really share this within like 40 seconds remaining now because it's kind of boring. But actually, to tell the truth, I'm an expert. I'm an expert in AI. That's why I'm using you right now to be my guide, my tutor, to further sharpen my speaking skills. So actually, I'm using AI very well. Will AI replace my job? When I'm using AI, does it mean I'm supporting AI and then further empowering AI and AI will actually take my job? It's likely. It's thought-provoking. It's actually good to think about that. So, yeah, that's my 2 cents. Thank you. 好啦，好緊張啊！到底我講咗呢啲咁樣嘅極具含金量嘅發言，到底30秒後佢會點樣評價我呢個大師啊？呢個5星級嘅星級 speaker 咧，好緊張。哦，哇！有埋 transcript， 好尷尬，唔想睇到。哇！仲有得 replay 添喎，可以 replay 嘅，不過費事啦，真係。睇下先，哇嗱 fluency 真係好緊要，真係咁講嘢，係咁講嘢。grammar 都 OK 喎，都唔係 perfect 嘅喎，係咪啊？pronunciation 咁低分嘅 pronunciation， 有冇解釋啊 ？pronunciation 做咩扣得我咁勁 ？overall 都62喎。vocabs 啊，general context， 咦？我幾中意到 general context 喎，即係都知道我係喺度吹水，喺度冇乜講過嘢，都有32分，都算唔錯。嗱。真係有 feedback 啊！睇下先，聽下個 feedback 先。No phoneme error，keep it up。咁點解得個61分啊，大佬？係咪有啲咩字你想我讀我冇讀到呢？豈有此理 ！Grammar，job， 喂，呢個係 pronunciation 嚟嘅喎，係咪啊？點解係咁鬧我個 jaw drop 啊？鬧我4次啊？係咪啊？會唔會係如果係 typographical error， 會唔會你嘅問題唔係我問題咧 ？Anyway，AI 係搞笑啲嘅，我哋唔好太嚴格啦。Your speech is very fluid, with only rare and natural pauses. Engage in debates or public speaking to polish fluency. 你係叫我揾真人 debate 定係叫我同你 AI debate 先 ？Public speaking 對住 AI 仲叫唔叫 public speaking 先係嘛？1000個 AI 觀眾聽住我講嘢，會唔會都係 public speaking？其實都可以嘅。邊度揾1000個真人聽我講嘢啊？要揾1000個真人之前，先應該揾1000個機械人做我嘅觀眾。我同意嘅。雖然聽落有啲 dystopian， 有啲 Black Mirror 嘅 feel。好啦，睇下佢講乜先。vocab 方面啦，超低分。Expand your vocab range by introducing some terms related to AI and job security。好嘢 such as automation, workforce transformation, technological disruption。咁係嘅，呢啲 vocab 啊，或者 lexical chain item 啦，我中意叫做。好啦 ，advanced vocabulary usage. Aim for a bit more variety in your vocabulary. Instead of repeating words like boring and many times, try alternatives like monotonous, repetitive, or frequently. Using intermediate level words will keep your speech accessible but interesting. 好啦 word choice and precision. Be more specific and precise in your word choices. For example, instead of saying I'm using you, you could clarify with I'm leveraging AI tools like this one. Also, rather than saying expert, you might specify your field such as AI researcher or AI educator. 死啦，我係講過 I'm using you 係我嚟㗎噃，所以呢，我係咪真係講過 boring and many times 呢？係啊，我講過一開始話呢條問題我唔想回答啊，係啊。咁用咗 monotonous 係咪好啲呢？用咗 repetitive 係咪好啲呢？我又覺得唔係喎。我講緊呢條問題，我答過好多次啊嘛。咁 repetitive 好似唔係咁易用嘅喎，呢個時候 frequently 係咪就好過 many times 呢？嗱，呢個好小心。呢個 AI 呢，好似一個盲目嘅背咗稿嘅一個英文補習老師咁樣啊，係咁焗人 paraphrase 或者用呢啲所謂 synonyms， 真係小心啊！有時 less is more， 用少啲好過用多啲啊！真係要小心。好啦 ，use of idioms and colloquialisms. Try to sprinkle in some idioms or everyday expressions to make your speech more engaging. For example, you could say, AI is a double-edged sword when it comes to job security. We are all in the same boat, adapting to new technology. 幾好啊！呢啲真係1分鐘用到呢，係好理想嘅。咁我都學下嘢先，真係一朝早未瞓醒，係諗唔到呢啲字嘅。Automation, workforce transformation， 嗱，而家背緊書啊。Technological disruption， OK， 好啦。General context 超低分32分。Your speech briefly touches on the topic of AI and job security, but it lacks depth and development of ideas. While you mention adopting AI in your daily life and raise a thought-provoking question about AI replacing jobs， 其實我冇講過，我用咗 thought-provoking 呢個字，佢就話我問咗題好 thought-provoking 嘅 question。The discussion is superficial， 膚淺表面啦 ，does not address all the required points such as which jobs are likely to be replaced or how AI might create more jobs. The speech also lacks creativity and imagination, and the tone suggests disinterest in the topic. 講得好，同意。To improve, try to clearly address each discussion point, provide examples, and develop your ideas more fully. Engaging with the topic more enthusiastically would also strengthen your speech. 好啦，講完啦。咁，咦，佢冇更新嘅，唔通因為未俾錢，佢就唔幫我開 file？ 可唔可以再挑戰先？係咪啊？ retake 而家等緊 retake。果然係咁啊！咁係咪要試下個 free trial？嗱，佢個價錢係咁樣嘅，佢個價錢係130蚊一個月啦。咁當然年費嘅話就所有嘢平啲啦，半價啦。咁我就冇興趣做一年嘅，你叫我玩一個月，分享下咁都值得嘅。嗱，嚟到最好玩嘅 mock exam。No more paper money or coins。Free member can attempt group discussion 3 times。咁我而家一次都未玩喎，你做咩唔俾我玩啊？你話3次喎，我而家0次啫喎。好啦，翻去先。Courses discover 係啦，睇下係咪可以 free trial 先。咁就開晒所有 topic 啦。OK， 20個 topic。Discover Japan。Wild Boar in Hong Kong 呢啲 past paper 嘢嚟㗎喎，20題啊！人哋 DSE 1年都唔知20題喎，你可以勤力啲喎呢個開發商。如果想為着呢個 DSE 市場落藥嘅話呢，係要再勤力啲啊！好啦，即刻幫我開個 file 啦，62分嘅上次。咁今次呢，我要再挑戰啦。但係呢度真係好大嘅敗筆，人哋 IR 就係練個即興感啊嘛。你咁樣俾60秒人呢，咁咪失去咗個原意啊。同埋俾埋啲 point 人哋都好嘅，我答得咁差，你俾我做個唔好咁膚淺表面嘅答案，俾啲深度啊，AI 考官欣賞下先。Alright, so AI is everywhere, omnipresent, in our daily life, and automation, technological transformation are the impacts it's bringing to all of us. I think some jobs involving labor and mostly repetitive tasks will be likely to be replaced by AI, because they are so dull, so tedious in nature, and they are physically demanding. So AI is definitely a win-win for most of us. But of course, if we lose our jobs, humans can be the losers. But at the same time, AI can create more jobs like AI managers, AI ethicists, looking at the ethics of using AI. Thank you. 好啦，又要等放榜啊！咁啊，今次應該高分咗啦，但係都唔會好高分咯，係咪？因為都唔係好 freestyle， 都唔係好暢所欲言，都係受到佢嘅限制，反而係好啦。睇下先 ，pronunciation 都係好低分，我好介意。OK， 係啦，哇，no phoneme error。今日 in our daily life 應該係 in our daily lives 係咪？Automation technological transformation 漏咗個 n 喎，哇！佢好似捉 writing 咁樣捉我啲 speaking 啊。So dull, so tedious in nature 應該係 dull and tedious。吓？嗱，呢啲就係AI 嘅固執啊。好啦 ，high level of fluency 77分 ，variety of vocabulary。睇下先，叫我用多啲 specific terms or synonyms 喎。喂，俾例子先得㗎。我1分鐘講咁多嘢，或者講到個腦都要爆啦。你 AI 喺度食花生，唔俾 啲例子我都有嘅。好啦 ，omnipresent automation technological transformation AI 中意嘅 ，good 你教我噶嘛，我用翻出嚟，你梗係中意啦。To level up, try mixing a few more intermediate words such as displacement, adaptation, or upskilling. Avoid repeating simple words like jobs too often. Be careful with word repetition. For example, dull and tedious mean similar things. Use precise words to describe impacts like job displacement or workforce evolution. Wow! Writing 寫到已經好勁，而家要我 speaking 講呢啲字出嚟。Workforce evolution 好鬼假嘅真係。This will make your points clearer and more impactful. Use of idioms and colloquialisms. OK， 係啊，漏咗講 double-edged sword 啊。呢個 The writing on the wall, a blessing in disguise。我唔識 The writing on the wall， 要查下先得。好 ，a blessing in disguise. AI is a blessing in disguise。好啦，今次個 contest 咧55分啦，哇，32升到55，好高分啊！咁啊，有提到嘅。However, your ideas are somewhat superficial and lack depth. You could improve by giving specific examples of how you or others use AI daily, naming particular jobs at risk, and elaborating on how new roles will emerge and what skills they require. Creativity is shown in mentioning AI ethicists. Good. 佢聽到講乜？ But overall development and imagination could be stronger. Try to provide more detail and personal insight next time. 哇，合格啊，開心啊，係咪啊？50分合格，我攞到55分。OK， 好啦，嚟到我哋嘅重頭節目，我哋嘅 mock exam。Custom level 係咩意思呢？係咪可以揀對手呢？嗱，對手唔可能個個5星星噶嘛，個個咁叻練嚟都冇用，一定要還原真實嘅場景。果然係啊，可以加減啊！哇 ，Level 5再要分星星阿温窿、阿 Yan 同埋 Amanda， 哇 Amanda 梗係要5星星啦，阿 Yan 就同我差唔多啦 ，Level 4啦。咁啊，温窿係個 X Factor 喎，係嘛？呢個 Level 1會唔會玩嘢呢？係啦，有個 material 有個 passage 真係好似呢個咩啦 instruction 係咪漏咗 S 啊？大家幫我查下 instruction。有 liberal studies class， 喂，而家冇 liberal studies class 噶咯噃，係咪啊？唔係幾好喎，呢個 Say You Hong Kong 我退訂啊，真係嬲啊！真係咁冇誠意啊！做啲咁危害DSE 考生嘅嘢做乜呢？ You may want to talk about why 嗱冇 question mark， 今次好啲啦，今次正常啲啦。第4點 anything else you think is important 係啦，好不如嚟咯喎，我準備咗1分鐘夠啦，開始啦。
Good afternoon. Please sit according to the color of your labels. You have 8 minutes for your discussion. You can look at the question paper in your note card, but please do not make notes during the discussion. Turn over the question paper. You may start now.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. 有沒有關係？
Good afternoon, everyone. I think many shops prefer people to pay by phone because it is.
Good afternoon. May I start first? Went long. Sorry, went long. Thank you. Thank you for stopping talking. So what is the topic? I can't see the question paper. Goodness. So sorry, went long. I'll give it back to you. 冇人聽到我講咩，大家撈緊。死啦 ，Wen Long 徹底被擊敗，佢有 level 1。
I agree that paying by phone offers remarkable convenience, especially in busy urban areas. Expanding on that, it also reduces the need to carry cash, which can be lost or stolen. Do others think this shift might impact traditional cash transactions significantly?
哇，個鐘行緊，跟住每日35秒 dead air， 10秒都嚟緊啦。阿 Yan 就組織緊。
I agree with your point about convenience, and I think many shops prefer phone payments because it speeds up the process for both customers and staff. Following that, I believe this trend could also help reduce queues during busy hours, making shopping more efficient overall.
哎呀 ，Wen Long 想講嘢，我唔可以爭嘢講噶嘛，冷靜啲先。
Many shops prefer phone payments because they save time and make transactions smoother. I think this also helps shops reduce errors from cash handling.
呢個唔係 level 1啊。
What do you think about the security risks of cashless payments? And do you believe they might affect customer trust?
喂，冇人要求我講嘢嘅，咁冇禮貌嘅。
I see your point about security risks, and I agree that data breaches can undermine customer trust. In brief, while phone payments are efficient, ensuring strong security measures is crucial to maintain confidence. Moving to the next topic.
Why are you moving to the next topic without inviting me? Yan, how dare you? Answer me, Yan. Can that be? Don't you move on until you answer my question. Give me a report. Give me a response.
Certainly, the convenience and efficiency of cashless payments are undeniable. But I believe there are significant problems that could arise, such as privacy concerns and the risk of hacking.
嗱，咁大家學嘢啦，5星星考生咧係用 certainly 開頭。
What are your thoughts on how society might address these security challenges? Building on your point, the security risks of hacking and data breaches could seriously undermine user confidence in cashless systems. How do you think society can effectively implement stronger cybersecurity measures to protect consumers? Would anyone like to share their thoughts on balancing convenience with security?
哇，好深啊！其實呢個題目好深，佢哋講嘢都好有深度。
I understand the concerns about cybersecurity, and I agree that strengthening digital defenses is essential. In my opinion, implementing multi-factor authentication and regular security audits could significantly reduce risks. However, do you believe that as technology advances, hackers will also find new vulnerabilities? Would
死啦！我又 cut off 咗人，我捉唔到佢路啊！哎呀，sorry， 講緊中文嘅黐孖筋。Sorry. I do think developing technological advancements would be a great help. 死啦，講到邊？Everybody is using a smartphone or iPhone these days. I think Apple or other mobile phone companies can help here by I think people are quite used to these kinds of technologies such as what do you call it? Biometric authentication, something like that. Yeah. 呢個等待係最難受。
That is a good point about potential problems with a cashless society, such as technical failures or hacking. These issues could make people lose trust or face difficulties when systems go down. How do others think society can prepare for or prevent these problems?
死啦！溫窿係 level 1，我係 level -0.5。
Certainly, the move towards a cash-free society in Hong Kong could bring benefits, such as increased efficiency and reduced crime. However, I believe we must carefully consider the risks of technical failures and hacking, which could severely impact trust. To mitigate these issues, investing in robust cybersecurity and backup systems is essential. Would others agree that these measures are sufficient?
That's a good point, but what if it is the itself trying to hack our phone? I don't think we can do anything there. So what does everybody think? Hong
Kong going cash-free soon is a big decision. I think it can bring good things like less crime and faster shopping. But I also agree that security is a big problem, especially if the tries to hack phones. What do you all think about this?
Hong Kong's move toward a cash-free society is a complex issue. While the benefits like efficiency and crime reduction are clear, the security risks, especially regarding hacking, cannot be overlooked. Strong cybersecurity measures and transparent policies are essential, but public trust remains concerned. Would anyone like to share their final thoughts? This concludes our discussion, and I appreciate everyone's insights.
Time is up.
最後
Stop your
嘅
discussion now.
1秒半秒用到盡。
Let's move on to part B. Candidate D, you have up to 1 minute to answer the following question.
好緊張。
Do you prefer paying by cash or Octopus card?
I prefer paying by Octopus card because it's automatic, it's time saving, and you don't have to form a huge line waiting for dealing with the coins between you and the cashier. So the Octopus card is definitely a great leap forward for automation and efficiency. And of course, it's much cleaner than touching the coins because you never know where the coins come from. They may have been dropped on the floor in the market, touched by a shopkeeper selling fish. So especially during and after coronavirus, COVID-19, everybody has built up this habit of e-payment, and Octopus card is definitely one of them. It is making our life much more convenient, so I prefer it. Thank you.
Time is up. That's the end of the examination. We will provide the result shortly.
幾好啊，有得放榜啊！咦，係啦，即時嘅 evaluation。咁當然冇真人咁好啦，咁但係個成本係冇得比㗎嘛。同埋而家係你想講就講喎，其實都有好處㗎，係咪啊？你想隨意壟斷發言，咦，我勁過 Wen Long 喎，有冇得睇埋 Wen Long啲分數啊？ Canada D presents some relevant ideas such as the convenience, hygiene, and efficiency of the autobus card. 係喎，我冇用到 hygiene 呢個字。However, the contributions are only often brief, fragmented, or interrupted and confused by confusion and apologies, leading to weak organization and limited development of ideas. While the candidate attempts to elaborate on points like COVID-19 and hygiene, they struggle to clearly link their their ideas to the ongoing discussion or respond meaningfully to others' arguments. Vocabulary is mostly simple and repetitive, with limited use of complex structures or advanced expressions. Communication strategies are basic, rely mainly on sharing opinions and rhetorical questions, but do not effectively build on or extend the discussion. Pronunciation is generally clear, with reasonable fluency and intonation, though hesitations are frequent. Overall, Canada D's ideas and organization need significant improvement for more effective participation. 咁啊，我係同緊全港考生比較喎，即係用緊 SAYO 嘅用家喎，係咪啊？睇下先 ，total speaking time in seconds。吓？我講得最多啊！死咯！嗱，你話係咪啊？167秒，多過2分鐘啊，係啊！其實好多時間用咗去 dead air 等緊啊，電腦 loading 啊，唔該你開一個派俾我睇到嗰個時間。好啦 ，word count 講咗幾多隻字呢？嗱，都好啲。呢個 saving grace 啊，我講最耐應該講最多隻字係咪？當然個比例係時間就多啦，字就唔算咁多。Words per limit 嗱，你見到啦，我哋睇 fluency 咧要睇 WPM 啊，係咪？時間多，字數 output 少，咁咪即係講得more咯，嘥人時間咯，係咪啊？好啦，咁啊。Avoid repeated apologies or interruptions. If you lose your place, try to summarize your main point and continue. 其實我有譴責別人嘅喎，我冇 apologies 喎，我啲唔係 interruptions 喎，我鬧緊佢喎，佢冇回應我就真喎，係咪啊？Candidate， 唉，好泄氣啊，好泄氣。嗱，所以咧我都覺得你可以試下玩嘅，免費試用3日，咁你咪喺最需要佢嘅時候，又最唔想俾錢嘅時候試用佢，或者你真係考試前1個月訂 subscribe 佢咯。咁你真係，因為佢好高要求啊嘛，佢好高要求，咁你咪可以點都有所提升嘅，真係。俾人鬧一鬧呢，俾人挫敗一下呢，你就會個人醒啲，就會真係溫書，就會去嘗試講一啲平時講唔出嘅嘢。好啦，玩住咁多先，記得呢，走去停咗個 subscription 啦，費事俾佢掠我100幾蚊，冇需要咯，暫時冇需要咯，遲啲可能有需要嘅，到時再算啦，好嘛？但係都真係唔簡單，係嘛？5年前、10年前點會想像到有呢啲咁嘅服務先得㗎？人工智能，好幸福嘅各位 digital natives， 咁啊善用科技，咁啊 I'll see you again。以上就係朱老師喺2025年6月28號一朝早起身同呢個 SAYO 呢個 app 首次練習呢個 group discussion。咁啊之後呢都即刻練多一次 group discussion， 嘗試去翻盤啊。咁亦都成功勇奪 level 3-4呢個階級，係成功升 grade 嘅噃。 咁好明顯呢一條片呢唔係一個廣告啦，即係作為廣告嚟講，你見到相當之倒米嘅，冇一個贊助嘅廣告會係以退訂嚟結束呢條片嘅。咁最大嘅敗筆當然係佢個等候時間啦，即係每個 chatbot 都要諗好晒講乜，個稿寫好晒，gen 晒成個 transcript 出嚟，先開始讀第一粒字俾你聽喎。咁呢個時差，呢一個現場感呢，同真實係無法比擬嘅。咁但係鬼唔知阿媽係女人咩？即係你有資源、有人力物力，約到晒朋友、同學，同埋最好有個老師坐埋喺度俾 feedback 嘅話，呢個係首選。但係冇嘅話，只能夠退而求其次。而 AI 作為一個次選，我哋睇到佢喺2025年6月嘅呢個效果，呢個成果。咁之後佢會進步嘅，無論係 SEO 定係普遍嘅 AI。咁2年後、5年後、10年後，佢會越嚟越快。咁但係到時你再話俾我聽啦，否則嘅話呢，我覺得我自己夠皮啦，我試一次玩過啦，體驗過啦，幾開心啦，咁就唔需要再試同 AI 練呢個 DSE Speaking 啦。咁但係我係我，你係考生嘅話呢，適當時候呢個 app 絕對救到你一命，幫你升1-2個grade，唔係講笑。